Friends, my name is Lynn Adjei, CEO of CLADJEI Enterprises. My children and grandchildren, let's say my family, call me Grandma Moringa. CLADJEI Enterprise is a micro establishment, and it was established in 2009. I retired in 2000 after 38 years work in regular employment, and I was looking for alternative ways of boosting my health. So when I was introduced to Moringa in 2009, it was God sent. CLADJEI processes Moringa products from its garden. Our trees are grown without the use of chemical fertilizers. We also have a farm at Dadiase in the Sekyere-Kumawu District of the Ashanti Region. We have introduced Moringa to the people of Dadiase, including the staff of the senior secondary school, to encourage them to eat and grow Moringa. We give free seeds. Some of our products are Seas Health Moringa Aloe Vera Powder, Seas Health Moringa Energy Drink, Seas Health Moringa Tea Mix, and Moringa Essential Oil. Moringa is very versatile, and there are 1,001 things that one can do with Moringa. The Ghana chapter of the Africa Moringa Hub was inaugurated on Saturday, 16th March 2019. The Women's League of the chapter has taken off, and we are sensitizing the women of Ghana to plant Moringa and incorporate Moringa in their cooking, and to eat and plant Moringa. Every home, in fact, must have a Moringa tree. At least one Moringa tree in every home to boost the health and wealth of the family. Moringa gives me all the energy I need. It will do the same for you if you eat and plant Moringa. Thank you for listening.